Okay, here we are.
What are we making today, Karen?
Well, we made a classic cookie, a peanut butter cookie.
Oh, these
Everybody
are
loves peanut butter cookie.
to die for. These are really good.
They're really good. They're chewy. They're like the classic peanut butter cookie, but everything about them is good.
The problem is you can eat too many.
It's true.
So just go with one right at the meal, at the end.
Oh, we
But
got
they're really chewy.
Eat this with a meal?
Yeah, as your dessert.
Oh.
You don't want to have a snack. Remember? Do you remember? Do we have to have the talk again?
Maybe.
Well, these are really good. So should we just show them how to make it?
Yeah, they're super easy. Make them.
Okay. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.